iHoy, Captain. iHoyBox24, honest review. Real proof this marine autopilot runs your boat. You are out on the water, one hand locked on the wheel for 3 straight hours, back aching, missing every single thing happening around you. Sound familiar? You bought the boat to enjoy the ride, not to become the ride. Type guilty if this is your life right now. Because here is the question nobody asks out loud. Why are you still steering manually? Every hour gripping that helm is an hour of exhaustion, quietly draining your enjoyment. It is suffocating, honestly. You watch other skippers moving freely around the deck, relaxed, snacking, actually living the trip. That used to feel impossible. What if control was actually simple? Because the gap between your experience right now and theirs is not skill. It is one small device you have not tried yet. Then I plugged in the iHoy Captain Autopilot and everything got stupidly quiet. Don't just pick any marine autopilot, make sure it has real 3D sensor fusion technology so you never feel that helpless, wheel-locked exhaustion eating your entire trip alive ever again. Here is what the iHoy Captain iHoyBox24 actually delivers in felt outcomes. First, it reads waves before they hit and corrects before your bow even drifts, so your course stays razor straight without you touching anything. Second, it frees your hands completely, letting you fish, navigate charts, or just breathe while the boat runs itself. Third, Bluetooth 5 app control from anywhere on deck means you are the captain from 30 meters away. Fourth, the iHoy Map Chart app lets you drop waypoints and follow a full route like a floating GPS. Fifth, automatic calibration means zero technical headaches during setup. Sixth, removable and traceless mounting means no permanent mounting to your boat whatsoever. At 2:47 a.m., mid-crossing, wind picking up and my co-skipper seasick below deck, I was genuinely cooked until the iHoy Captain held our heading rock solid for 6 straight hours without blinking. You feel that? That is what confidence on open water actually feels like. Nobody talks about the gesture steering mode. We need to fix that. Let me stack the proof until doubt simply has nowhere left to stand. Sailing Britican tested the iHoy Captain iHoyBox24 on a full Atlantic crossing on a 46-foot sailboat and said flatly it held course when their previous autopilot could not. Their partner called it the most important piece of equipment on the boat. That is not a review. That is a confession. A full-time cruiser on Cruisers Forum reported steering for over 6 hours in 25-knot winds on a 46-foot cutter, saying it holds course better than I can. A Marine Electronics Forum member noted routinely receiving 25-plus satellites and called it far more precise than any pilot they had ever used, even in rough seas. Yacht Pals named it award-winning and described the sensor fusion as something that genuinely learns your vessel's behavior and adapts in real time. This is the one thing thousands message me about daily. Does it actually work in real conditions or just calm harbor tests? Atlantic crossing, 25-knot winds, 6 hours unattended. You now have your answer. Which benefit blew your mind most? Comment 1 for hands-free freedom, 2 for route-following precision, 3 for the installation speed. Now the objection. Too expensive for what it is. Here is the counter. A professional hydraulic autopilot installation runs thousands. The iHoy Captain mounts in under 15 minutes and leaves 0 marks on your boat. People laugh at that excuse once they hear themselves say it out loud. Drop your boat size below. I want to see who this community is sailing with. You already know what it feels like to be locked to that wheel when you should be living the trip. The iHoy Captain iHoyBox24 gives you your boat back, your hands back, and honestly, your entire experience back. With Swiss-level precision, smartphone control, and route following that works in real open water conditions. Join the ones who quietly upgraded their entire time on the water. First link in description. I pinned it to the top because I am not letting you miss this. Your next trip deserves better than white-knuckle steering.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.